Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to customize a Google Sites template. Let's get started. First, log into your Google account and open Google Sites. Find the template you want to edit and click on it to open your project. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to make a copy of your site. This keeps your original template safe. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Make a Copy. And here you will see your own copy. Here you can edit your website, change, add, and update at any time you need. Press three dots again, choose Rename, and write your new website name. Another way to make a copy, you may see different window, like this. Click the three dots and select Make a Copy. Simple and quick. Now you have your own website. Congratulations. Let's change the website name. You'll find it at the top left corner. Now, here's how you can edit any text. Just select the text and type in your new one. On the toolbar, you can also change the font, size, color, and other text settings. Let's replace the pictures. Click on any image you want to change, and you'll see options to replace it. You can either upload your own image from your computer or choose one from Google's stock images. Just pick what fits your design. And insert. Upload new picture, go to the right menu. Find Insert, then Image. Upload or select image. If you want to add multiple images at once, use the Insert menu, Images. It's fast and convenient. Choose multiple images and insert. To change the section color, click on the section background and pick a color that matches your style. You can create a consistent look this way. To resize a picture, just drag the corners or use the Settings menu. Make sure it fits nicely in your layout. If you want the image in its original size, click Reset Image in the toolbar. This restores it to the original proportions. To create an image carousel, go to Insert, Carousel, and add the images you want. This is perfect for multiple photos in one section. Now let's preview our site and see how everything looks together. On the top menu, press Preview. So, that's how it looks like on the computer. And on the phone. Make sure the text, images, and colors all look great. And that's it! You've successfully customized your Google Sites template. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!